super hungry. Let's see what's in the fridge. Okay, what's in our fridge? Uh-oh, nothing in the fridge. Let's check the freezer. Uh-oh, looks like there's nothing in the freezer either. Time for a quick trip to the grocery store. Whoa, we got a lot of stuff at the grocery store. Let's get it in the fridge. I think I need some water first. Shopping makes me thirsty. Hey, I see a cup in the fridge. There it is. Let me fill it up for you. First, we need some ice. And now we'll add some water. Here you go, Chase. Thank you. Ice cold water. Now let's get our groceries in the fridge. Okay, guys, let's see what you got at the store. Looks like you got some ice cream. We'll put that in the freezer. Yummy blueberries. We can put those in the fridge. A blue fish. It's frozen, so we'll put it in the freezer. It's some kind of red juice. Hey, look, it says tomato. That can go in the fridge. Look, it's delicious cake. Let's put that in the fridge. Looks like some nice cold milk. Let's get that in the fridge. Look, this has purple on it, and it says fresh salmon. Let's get that in the fridge. I think we have some fruit too. We have some yellow corn. That belongs down here. And a red strawberry. Let's close up our fridge. Now, what would you guys like to eat? Cake, 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 cake. I want to eat some cake. Oh, Chase, you know you need to eat something healthy first. Can we start with some fruit and veggies? Why don't we start with a salad? Here's the cutting board. Up first, we have some nice green lettuce. We'll put that in a bowl. Now we need more vegetables, like a red tomato. And we have a green avocado. Now we have a delicious salad for you to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Can we have fruit too? Absolutely. Here's a green pear. A piece for each one of you. Yum, 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 yum. And a big yellow banana. Here you go. You can each have a piece. Yum, 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 yum. Can we have some eggs and then maybe bake a cupcake? Let's do it. Okay, let's crack that egg. Let's turn up the heat. Your egg is ready. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious egg. Cupcake time. That's right. First we need some magical Play-Doh. Here's some magical white Play-Doh. We make it just the right shape. Put it in the oven. Turn the oven on and say, fizzy wizzy bo bizzy bop. There! Then we have a cupcake. Let's get it out. Look at this delicious pink cupcake with sprinkles on top. A little bit for Skye. Yum, yum, yum. And a little bit for Chase. Yum, yum, yum. Now I do believe there was a cake you wanted to have. So let me get that out of the refrigerator. Here's our cake. It looks delicious. There's an orange carrot on top. It must be carrot cake. It's chocolate chip cookies. Let's see if I can get one out. There we go. There's a cookie. Skye and Chase, you did a great job eating healthy food like salad, fruit, and an egg. So now you get to eat the cake and the cookie. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, that was so delicious. Thank you.
Ooh, did you save any for Fizzy?
No, we didn't, Fizzy.
Oh, that's okay. I'll go to the grocery store. Here I go. Whee!
Bye, Fizzy. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We have a big surprise for you today. It's the Weebles Wonder Club Treehouse. And we also have
Chase, Marshall, Zuma, Skye, Rocky, and Rubble. Let's have fun with this treehouse. We need to keep snipping. It says there's a secret trap door, and you can drop down into the swing. Now that it's out of the box, let's snap our slide into place. The PAW Patrol have two new friends, this little puppy dog and this little boy. And together, they're going to all explore the playground. But first on the bottom, we need to pop in 2 AA batteries. And now we're gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens when we drop our Weebles in here. They're ready to go on the merry-go-round. Whoa, Chase fell off. Let's push this little head and see what happens. And you can go really fast too. Zuma's up top. He wants to try out the trap door. Look out below! He landed in the swing. Let's push Zuma on the swing. That looks like fun. Rocky, the little boy, and the puppy dog are up top now. The puppy dog wants to go across the bridge. Here he comes. The little boy has discovered a slide. He wants to go down it with Rocky. Here he goes. That was fun! And Rocky's up next. Have fun, Rocky! Whoa! Skye flew over to the balcony. She thinks the flowers smell good. Look who's way up high in the sky. It's Rubble! What happens when we push this ladybug? He's looking through the telescope. Let's look at all the different colors on this playground. We have green grass, red mushrooms, red doors, a blue treehouse, a yellow balcony, a purple lookout tower, and an orange telescope. Now, let's have more fun on the playground.